Do you guys want some earbuds that blend in so people know that you're on the phone or listening to music? And they pretty much exactly look like the bigger brands, and this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. In this video, we're reviewing the Haylou T19s, and these are white. They look like the bigger name brand. Of course, people are familiar with the white ones. I've used black ones before, smaller ones, and I'm out there doing landscaping. People don't really know if you're, just for sound or whatnot. You might not even be able to see them, but I'm so used to now, we were so used to the white cord. Now a earbud that dangles down, that's white, people know, okay, well, if I talk to them, they're not like shoving me off or they're not like putting me off. And so what I like about these is they look, and people are associating that with, oh, okay, he's on the phone or he's listening to music. And so that's what I personally like about them. We'll go over pros and cons in this video, what I've experienced over the last couple of weeks of using these. It is Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, wireless charging case, in-ear sensor. The charging case, the charging time for the case is about 2.5 hours. The battery capacity inside the case is a 600 milliamp battery. The earbuds have a talk time of 5 hours, and the charging time for the earbuds is 2 hours. And the operating range is 10 meters, approximately 30 feet. You get your different silicone earbud inserts, you get your user manual, charging case, and charging cable. Something that I have realized as well, typically I go for the ones they already put on the earbuds. Those ones typically fit just fine, but I felt myself just wanting to kind of nudge them in there just a little bit more. So I switched over to the larger ear tip, and that seems to be doing the trick, keeping them nice and snug in there. They have a little bit more weight with the dangle down. I've never worn the Apple ones before. Typically I'm just a straight shot in ones. But again, the reason I like these ones is because everyone else is used to seeing those, and that's what I like if I'm out and about doing some gardening, taking the dog for a walk. I'm not the crazy guy down the street. They know that I'm talking to somebody or singing along to music. So I do want to show you one awesome feature, right? So I'm watching my YouTube music. Let's go ahead and enlarge that screen there. So I'm actually talking while I'm listening right now, so hopefully it doesn't mess up the microphone. So I took one earbud out and the music paused, as you can see right there. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in, and it's going to go ahead and resume on its own. So if you're in the gym and you take one earbud out, pauses it pretty quickly, and then right as I pick this back up, let me show you where it starts playing. I just put it in my ear, and it was about a 1 second delay after it was inserted in my ear canal. Great feature. Now I do want to talk to you about the touch panel. There is a touch panel on the back of it, right back here. Unfortunately, I'm not hitting it. It might be because of my ears, but I'm just not getting a good contact on it. It's working, being able to skip tracks, etc., but I'm just not getting a good contact on there. So here are the functions. I just showed you the take off, put earbuds down, resume playing music. Double click left earbud to skip track backward, playing music. Double click right earbud, skip track forward. Double click either earbud to answer or end a phone call, and triple click to use the summon voice assistant on standby. The touch panel once again is right on the back right there, but because of my ears, let me show you this a little bit better. Hopefully you can get the shot. My head's turned here, but my ears loop around and they're kind of folded in. So obviously that's why these are pointed that direction. If I try to straighten them up, they're not gonna fit insert, right? So some people I see wearing their earbuds, they're like straight down, and that just does not feel comfortable at all. I could go on the other side of my ear loop right here if I really wanted to. I mean, to each their own. I don't mind being on the interior portion with my earlobe kind of holding that in. That just feels more comfortable to me. Some people like it straight down, some people don't, to each their own. Problem is the touch panel is back here with my ears, how the way they go kind of go in like that. So I'm just letting you know my experience with it. Touch panel does work, but it's not as sensitive as I'd like it to be, which might be a good thing, might be a bad thing. Again, this is how they both look right here. I can get a better angle with my left eye here. Again, this direction feels just better to me overall. Just the shape of my ears. Well, guys, I've been really enjoying the earbuds. We do have an LED light on the front, and that is letting you know the battery status as well. That'll turn red when you need to recharge it there. Again, your Type-C port on the bottom, you do have a provided Type-C cable in the box. You have your instruction manual as well, telling you how to pair the device. This charging case for the earbuds also is wireless charging, meaning that you can put this entire case, set it on a wireless charging pad to charge it, or use the provided Type USB-C cable. Something I do like is after I flip this open, if a phone call comes in, I pop these in my ear and it will connect in about 5 seconds or so. So you can go ahead and pop those in your ears for when a phone call does come in if you're driving and they're not already in your ears, which is very nice and convenient. The music sounds great. Unfortunately, I can't show you that on camera due to sound and recording, obviously, what is coming through the earbuds, but they sound great, very powerful, very bassy as well. I'm very impressed with the quality and the way they sound, and phone calls are nice and crisp. Nobody has complained that I sound like I'm talking into a tin can or anything like that. So overall, they passed my test, but like we mentioned, the only con that I consider so far is the touch on the back of it. But with that said, right after this last clip, a phone call came in, I double tapped it and I was able to answer the phone call, my first double tap. So that worked very streamlined and very nice. So I wanted to get that on camera, that answering the phone call did great. I will put that to further use, the touch panel. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you are intrigued, once again, that link is down below where you guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself, but just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. That link is below. Hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind on your way out. It helps the channel, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.